go. My first strike. What kind of fish is this? This is so small chairs. Let's open our fishing rod. This is like 2 meters fishing rod. This the line roller. It's still new. I have never done something like this, so I hope I can do it. What happened? Maybe we have to. I know. Okay, it's good. This container, the price was 100 yen. This is the container for the hook. I know. Wait, I have something here. This is the hook. Next, this is fish grip. Push the holder and it will open. Then put the fish here and it will pinch the fish. Okay, next, this is fish measuring sticker. Fish measuring sticker. How to use it? So it's a sticker. Where we have to put this? Split ring pliers. The lock we have to unlock, and then like this, right? It's a glow stick for fishing. Must have for night fishing. Let's try it later. This is a small hook. This one is bigger hook. It's okay. So all the tools here is prepared. Actually today the weather is not really good because today it's like raining. It's very cloudy, man. Let's say. Look, it's very cloudy. Look around, there are so many people. Okay, let's try it. Hold on. strong enough. How? Let's make it a try. Down there, so many fish. Let's see if we can do it. Damn. Oh, so hungry. But not really hungry now. Damn it. Oh man, what the fuck? Oh man, what the heck? Wow, my first strike. What kind of fish is this? Oh. Oh, it's pretty deep. Wow, what kind of fish is this? We got again some fish here. Oh, oh, ooh, ooh. Don't move. Oh. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.